So let's talk about the crisis. In 1998, the cumulative effects of the economic situation of the country and its high debt became evident, as mentioned before. The phenomenon of the child caused a stagnation in the agricultural production, while the economic recession caused accumulation of overdue obligations on the financial system, increasing the indebtedness of the entrepreneurs and forcing them to get international credits. The rapid increase in non-performing loans product of the depression of business during 3 consecutive years, coupled to a situation of fiscal crisis causing fear in the public and motivating them to start taking money out of banks, with the purpose of protecting themselves in dollars. Such thing left the private banking running out of the liquidity and in turn asking for liquidity credits to the central bank. During that year, due to the expansion of the crisis, the Deposit Insurance Agency, the AGD, was created. It is a state entity whose goal is to intervene and heal the domestic financial system and to provide the banking the resources needed to overcome their difficulties. In November of 1998, the largest bank of the country presented not only liquidity problems but also problems of solvency, and in an attempt to avoid a systematic failure, Mahmoud's government then decided to start a task of salvaging by intervening in the bank. This decision costed to the Ecuadorian state about $540 million plus 40 million loans lending to the banks of loans. Tungurahua and Finagro, which at the time had solvency problems. In 1999, the sucre was strict and reached an exchange rate of 19,000 sucres per dollar. As the fragility of the financial system became more evident, people became more fearful and therefore were motivated to withdraw their savings and exchange them into dollars. Now, this in turn had an impact on the exchange rate, generating a depreciation of the sucre, the Ecuadorian currency at that time, and a flight of capital, worsening the liquidity of the financial system. This fact and the increase of non-performing loans left the financial system in a critical situation. After the economic downturn of Flan Blanco and other small banks, El Progreso Bank, considered the second bank of the country due to the size of their assets, fell as well.